quiet town, there lived a boy named Chike. He was neither poor nor rich. His father was a carpenter, and his mother sold food at the market. Life was simple but good. One season, the villagers noticed something strange. The birds had stopped singing. The mornings became silent, and people felt the world had lost its joy. Chike loved birds more than anything. Every afternoon he whistled tunes while doing chores, and the birds would gather near, tilting their heads as if listening. Determined to bring back their voices, Chike spent weeks crafting small wooden flutes from his father's leftover wood. He climbed trees, played gentle melodies, and soon one bird chirped back, then another. By the end of the month, the whole sky was alive with song again. The villagers woke each day to the sweetest music they had ever heard. When people asked how he did it, Chike smiled and said, "I didn't teach the birds to sing. I just reminded them of their own music." From that day on, whenever the village felt down or weary, they remembered Chike's lesson. Sometimes the world only needs a little reminder of its beauty. This was a story from African Child Tales. Like and subscribe for more stories that inspire.